Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to talk today about break and shakes and colonization. Are your jars fully colonized? Those are just empty spots. That's not contamination. This is what a fully colonized jar looks like. Okay, now it's a little over colonized, granted, but it is fully colonized and there's no contaminations in this. This is ready to break and spawn. Now, there's a lot of questions out there as to when to break and shake, and I do it twice. I do it once at about 30% or so, maybe a little more, between 30 and 50%, and then I do it once again when the entire jar is colonized. And there's a reason behind the 100% break and shake. Sometimes you end up with a contamination in the jar that you can't readily see after you achieve 100% colonization. Breaking it at 100% colonization and waiting another 2 days, 3 days or so that you end up with this, guarantees you that there are no contaminations. Here, I just want to show you this real quick because it looks bad, but it's just a hole. It's just a hole. This is pretty common to see after you do your 100% break and shake and it recolonizes. This is perfect, ready to go. So if you have any questions, you can always hit me up in the comments. If you're enjoying the material that I bring you, please like and share, subscribe, hit that little bell ring notification so that you get all of my upcoming videos. You guys stay safe out there and happy cultivating.